How to change your college on your profile on Facebook. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just make sure that you like and subscribe in our channel. So let's start. First, you will just go to your Facebook and open it. And after this, when your Facebook is opening, go here to this three line, click on it, and then go to settings, click on it, and then you will go to profile informations, and you will go to this your college, and if you want to change it, click on this pen here and click edit school, and here you can choose like to delete here to change, and when you finish change, just click save and it will save. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.